The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo.
Say I do, tingnan mo siya. Just say yes I do.
I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her. Thought I'd
Ang kagustuhan ng magulang ay kung ano ang ikaliligaya ng anak. Kaya ang wishes ko sa inyo ay sana matapos mo ang iyong cardiology.
be a lover girl, forced to get creative.
Itong si Reg, itong anak ko na to, alam ko na talagang desidido siya sa naging decision niya na ito dahil pag ayaw niya, ayaw niya. Pag gusto niya, gusto niya.
I'm in a reckless fever, love-struck girl, I tease her. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the
Bilis-bilis, narinig na kita.
Hindi lang. In my mind, I'm working overtime.
Cute po. Mukha kang bukidin.
Mukha kang bukay.
To be in love, I wait by the phone like a high school movie. Dream at the shows, you'll come running to me. Think I see you in those
Napakasalang tayo ng
Wala pa yung pipirmahan Wala din yung mag-officiate. Hindi pwede dito.
tease her. Thought I'd never be her. Quite
Fully support po ako sa kanila. Actually, ako yung gumawa ng kanyang bail. Ako yung nag-plan sa nito. Kaya kung mayroon pong ikakasal, daddy for heart po yung aking business.
what a curse it is to be a lover girl.
So, eto na nga. Tagal nating hinintay. Tinrabaho, pinaghirapan.
To my dearest Dudu Kenneth. Atata. Sabi ko sa'yo, patatawanan kita eh. Okay. It's been 2,576 days. Nag-swipe right ako sa'yo sa Tinder.
I have always thought of you as my wife. I don't know when it started or how, but amazingly, I kept faithful and did not look elsewhere.
Very good.
Yeah, because I always said to myself, I have a wife.
Aww. Excited ka na ba? Excited ka na daw ba?
Oo, kasi 29 na siya.
Na-enjoy din ako bigla.
Mabait siya. Tsaka matapang siya.
Ay, sobra lang minsan.
Minsan sobra. Ay, hindi na.
Sobra ba sa'yo? Baka umiyak ka. Thank you. Sorry. Ay, wala na. Isa pa yun. Umiyak ka na.
At syempre, nakita ko naman kasi yung pagmamahal niya kay Ken. Kaya alam ko, masaya siya ngayon sa decision niya.
I adore you. because despite how long it took for me to propose, pandemic, sickness, and a lot of times na wala talaga ako because of training, you stayed with me. You make me smile. You make me believe in myself. Yeah, you give me hope. You make me happy. You make me better.
I honestly don't know how I got so lucky. Kahit na sinasabi mong maswerte ka sa akin. You're my lover, my best friend, my ride or die. Sabay naiinis, sabay kinakain na lang yung inis. And my second brain. Like, di ko alam anong gagawin ko. I simply cannot imagine a life without you. Truly, my best decision in life was swiping right on that fateful day.
Also like to acknowledge all those who have passed on, most especially my beloved mommy-in-law, Tita Daisy. So, kaya po, very intentional actually yung flowers. If you would notice, we tried to put little daisies. Kasi, we wish she was here. She was here. So, of course, aside from Kuya Tofi.
Pakinggan mong aking awitin na ito. Ito'y tungkol sa pag-ibig na nadarama sa'yo. Huwag sanang matakot sa aaminin ko.
I think I'm the lucky one today because I get to say how much I love you and that I'll stay with you forever in front of our family and friends. I am the lucky one today kasi akala ko single ako forever and now I get to marry you.
Pusan, ikaw lang at wala nang iba pang makakatumpas pa nitong pag-ibig ko sa'yo na totoo o pagsisilbihan ka't paninindigan ngayon at magpakailanman minamahal.
You will never be alone. You will always have me by your side. And you will never have to fight your own battles alone. DM and all. We will be together, making sure you are always healthy. Huwag mo ko iwan agad, ha? Na tayo together. And once we get so old and gray, and in the afterlife that comes, I will still find you. Because I'll always love you forever. Kaya promise me, papacheck up ka lagi. Kukulitin kita, huwag kang magsasawa. I love you beyond everything else.
Tumpas pa nitong pag-ibig ko sa'yo na totoo o pagsisilbihan ka't paninindigan ngayon.
Sabi ko, I will take care of myself so I can spend the rest of the longest time I can with you. I will eat all the food you make me.
Aww.
And I will wash dishes after. I will take care of you always and put you first. I will love you always and forever until the day that I die. I love you.
Love, alam mo, nung ginagawa ko yung barong mo, I realized something na it's about commitment in this relationship. That intention to stay. Kada tahi ko dyan, iniisip ko how much I love you. In Kapampangan, may saya din your first love letter. Kako ka kaya kako. But now, alangan nga. She's forever.